subscribe Anong Sayo TV mo. Thank you.
Annyeonghaseyo mga kaanyong! Welcome to my channel, Anong Sayo TV. Today's video, we will talk about Moon Ga-young and Lee Jong-suk. Only here on
안녕, 제가 update.
Moon Ga-young confirmed for new drama with Lee Jong-suk. It's confirmed Moon Ga-young will be joining Lee Jong-suk in upcoming legal drama Sojodong. Sojodong tells a passionate story about associate lawyers who go to work in the Socho judicial town. Moon Ga-young will be playing the role of Kang Hee-ji, a first-year attorney who has just completed her probation at a law firm. Lee Jong-suk has been confirmed to star as An Ju-young, a ninth-year associate. Additionally, it was also previously announced that Ryo Hye-young is in talks to star in the drama. It will be written by Lee Sung-yeon, and the drama features a script based on his personal experiences as practicing attorney. It will be directed by Park Sung-woo, who's known for his detailed storytelling in Kairos, Adamas, and W. Currently, Moon Ga-young is filming her upcoming TV and drama Black Salt Dragon, also known as He's the Black Dragon. Sojodong is slated to air in the first half of 2025 via TVN. That's it mga kaanyong! Are you very excited for the new pair, Moon Ga-young and Lee Jong-suk, for an upcoming drama? Comment your thoughts below.
And then please